Hi everyone, this is how we make a nice, tasty, and crispy rice roti in our home. First, we'll roast some peanuts, then, we'll cut onions into some very small pieces. Then, based on your taste, you can take some green chilies and grind it in a mixer grinder. Uh, for half a kilo of rice flour, we added some 10 to 12 green chilies. And peanuts we'll take in a grinder. We'll not grind it into a smooth powder, but just like that we'll do it. And now we added all these groundnuts and green chili paste into a bowl, and we are adding some onions also. For half a kg of flour, you can add some 2 to 3 big onions which are cut into fine pieces. Now you can add rice flour into this. And to this rice flour you can add chana dal if you have, or if you want to try it differently, you can add some moong dal too. This moong dal should be soaked in water for half an hour or so, then it will become somewhat smooth. This is optional, you can add either chana dal or moong dal, and you can add some water and mix into a proper. If you are having some teeth ache and all, you can skip adding chana dal. Instead of chana dal, you can add moong dal. And this is oliga paper. This you can get online. You can cut it into a sheet like this, and you have to brush oil properly on that oliga paper, and then take this dough. See, you have to make holes like that on the roti. It helps in cooking the roti inside, and it also helps to absorb some oil from those holes. This is very important because it will be cooked properly till inside. And now when adding this, using this olica paper, this paper will not be burnt in the fire, so even when you keep it on the pan directly, nothing will happen. And this roti should be roasted on two sides. And if you want to add oil, you can add oil in those holes, or already when we were making roti on that oliga paper, we already brushed some oil to that paper, so already it was so much oil, so no need to add. When you make roti using polythene papers and all, that polythene paper may be burnt when you are putting it on the pan. Using this paper will prevent it, and it will be like non-stick paper, so it will not be sticked also. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.